Hi there, welcome to another tech review. I thought I'd do something a little bit different this time. I've got a little bit of tech to show you, and it's a bit of a surprise to me, really. I got a message a while back, well, a few days back, from my good friend at work, saying I have a piece of old retro technology. I'm not sure quite what to do with it. Would you like it? And retro technology to me is like catnip. So I was like, yeah, definitely. Doesn't matter if she wasn't sure if it worked. She wasn't sure quite what it was, but she was getting rid of it, and I said, yeah, I'll give it a good home and see if it works and have a look at it. So something a bit different. I don't know if it's going to work. I'm not entirely sure what it is, but I thought I'd share with you, opening it up and having a look at what's in there and if I can get it working. So I hope you enjoy this short little strange video all about this piece of tech that I've been kindly donated. Hope you enjoy this. So here's the bag in question that my friend from work has given to me. And already there's something quite interesting looking about this box at the top here, but I'm going to get all the bits out and let's have a look what we've got. So yes, as you can see, it looks like some sort of old projector. It's in a pretty beat up state. Quite a lot of the pieces are a bit wonky. That comes off a bit too well, so might need to work out how to screw that back on. So here we are. Can't see a name on it as yet. But yeah, fascinating. So it's all contained in this sort of carrier case there. Looks a bit beat up on the side here. So we've got some rollers there for the tape. Got a bulb there, I'm not sure if that'll be working or not. Some sort of a bulb. Okay, and we've got on here it says Specto Grey Line, which is not a make I've heard of before, but gives me a start as to start looking this up. And we have the top of the case here as well, which shows a little diagram here, which I'm guessing is how the reel is supposed to go onto the projector. Yeah, nothing on that side. So with that in mind, I'm guessing that these will be either reels or some sort of more parts to add. So let's have a look. There we are. Yes, we have a reel-to-reel tape. Quite a big one actually. Again, it looks like it's seen better days. And there we are, there's a little sign on here as well. Not entirely sure what that says. Something from Gandolini. So yeah, no idea what's on there, but I'll keep hold of that. So we have this reel-to-reel tape here. Let's see what else we've got. So this is the box that really intrigues me. I think because I just love this logo. It's a great logo, isn't it? It's called Nicorex. And yeah, I love this logo with the tape spooling around. So let's see what's in here. I can carefully open it one-handed. Polystyrene. And we have this manual here. Ooh, it says about lenses, film running. This may well be a camera to go with it. Oh, that would be brilliant. Okay, so we have a little leather pouch here. Nicorex 8. Is that 8? Yep. Nicorex 8, which I'm guessing is to do with the film. Of course, there's 8 film and Super 8 film. So let's see what we've got in here. And here we are. Yes, it does indeed look like a camera. We have the lens there. See if we've got any film in here. Oh, hello. Ah, so that's the viewfinder there. So we can look through. That's superb, I love that. And you've got how much from the start to the end in feet. And little roller there with A, which I'm guessing is automatic, but I'm not sure. C, different colour. Right, so I'll open this up and see if we've got a film inside. I'm guessing not from the from that, but let's have a look. And there we are, we've got it open, and there is actually a film in here, as you can see there, and it's spooled over this bit here. So it's been used, not a great deal. There's still a lot more on that side than that side. So yeah, fascinating. So there we have it. We have 3 intriguing looking items here. We have the projector, the camera, and a tape of reel as well. So I'm gonna have to take this inside, obviously, to plug it in and see if it works. But yeah, I'm suitably intrigued, and I hope you are too. So let's see if this thing works. So now the moment of truth. Will this thing switch on firstly? And will it work? It's looking a little bit on the beat up side. It's fairly old. I've not had a chance to look up how old it is, but I'm gonna guess 70s. And let's see if we can get this thing working. So first things first, plug it in, see if there's life in the old girl. And the short answer seems to be no, not at the moment. So I'll have to have a go and see what I can do here. And then, as if by magic, I tried all these various dials and found this one, and it comes on. Can you believe it? So it all seems to be working, which is very exciting. So I now just need to work out how to spool this reel on and see if I can find anything on it. So yeah, I'm incredibly surprised that it all still works, that the bulb's still working at the moment. And I don't know when this was last switched on, but it must have been a while ago. And after some real confusion, I've managed to work out where the reels actually go. As I said, I'm totally new to this, so apologies to if you're a aficionado on these sort of things and you're pulling your hair out at this point. So at this point, I've managed to connect it all. I've got the lamp working. It's making a funny sort of burning smell, which isn't good. But at this point, I seem to be missing another spool to take up the reel. So, not spool, whatever you call it, to take up the the reel there, so I'll ask if they have anything like that. But yeah, it's almost working.